Today we're going to make barbecue chicken and mashed potato skillet. This is a very simple dish that you can prepare in less than 30 minutes and with very basic ingredients. Chicken, potato, of course, some vegetable, barbecue sauce, and that's it. So let's get started.
Here are the ingredients you'll need for this recipe. You can also go to my website foodbyamanda.com to check out all the recipes and some interesting stories of me. We're gonna start by boiling our potatoes. Cook until the potatoes are very soft. Drain it well and set it aside. In another pot with boiling water, I'm going to put in all the chicken breast. It will only take a few minutes for the chicken breast to cook. Pull the cooked chicken breast into small pieces like this. Now let's make mashed potatoes. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of butter, and I'm just gonna use my fork to crush all the potatoes. These potatoes are very soft, so it's very easy to work with. I didn't show this in the video, but I added 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk so they're not too dry. In a small skillet over medium heat, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of butter. We're going to fry our green onion first. Cook about 30 seconds until the aroma starts to come out. Then add the shredded carrots. Cook for another 30 seconds and add in all the pull-apart chicken. Now I'm adding half cup of barbecue sauce. Give everything a good stir and make sure everything is coated with the barbecue sauce. Once it's ready, turn off the heat and we're going to put the mashed potato on top. And I'm just going to spread the mashed potato with the spatula. To finish off, I'm adding a generous amount of parmigiano. If you have a lid for your skillet, cover it, leave it for 3 to 5 minutes until the cheese are melted. Sprinkle some green onion to garnish if you like. And now we're ready to dig in. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For any recipes you'd like to know, please comment below. If you're a foodie like me, you're enjoying eating good food or cooking at home, please subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna go and finish my food now, so see you next time. Bye bye!